Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will explain you how I can use the addition and subtraction command in Siemens PLC S7-200. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will never miss other one. So let's get started. First of all, I will open my Microsoft software. And here I will take my one open contact. First I will take my open contact and next I will take one rising edge because of this rising edge giving a single pulse to our counter, and here I will take a one counter. Here also I can take this CTUD up and down counter, and this address I will take I0.0, and this counter name I will give Z0, and this I will make Control C and Control V and one more Control V, and this I will connect to the, and here value I will give for example 20 and click OK. Because of this is up and down counter, both is counter, and this contact is using for down counting and this contact is using for up counting, and this I0.2, that address I will change 0.1 I will put, and this I0.2 I will put, and this I0.2 we used for reset this counter, and one this row I will leave it, and in next row I will take again same like 1, and next one rising edge, and next we will take a one counter up and down, one more counter, where go this one, and this I will take address I0.3, and this counter address I will take C1, and this Control C, Control V, Control V, and this we will branch completed, and this will be connect, and here we will take one close contact, and here we will take one addition command. So I0.6 for example we will take close contact, and in one I will take my C0 counter, and second I will take C1 counter. I will make and take result in the MW0 C1 counter, this one counter, and this value both I will like to be make addition, and here we will take the result at MW0. This can be possible this for a one conveyor, and this is a second conveyor, and maybe in program upon the logic, yani one conveyor counting the bottles or bags or whatever, yani which is counting here, and after this is for example here 10 bags will be calculated, and after here is a 10 bags also calculated, and how much this total value we can be find in our this addition command. So this is the purpose of this counter. This value also I will take the value 20 for example, and this program we will download to the PLC, and click on download, click OK, stop the PLC, and after download and again we will have to be put in the run mode and make the simulation on. And now once I will give the all signal at the I0.2 also, I will give the signal to reset my counter. Okay, this is my counter is reset, and also this counter also, oh sorry, this value will not change. This I0.4 we have to give, and this I0.5 we have to be give, and again download to the PLC. Because of this, all addresses have to be different. If one addresses you will be put, it interrupt the program, it will be never run. Click OK. And now what we will do, now you can see here is also this counter is C0 is also 0, and this C1 is also, here is if have 14, I will give the X5, I will make it once, this one 0. Now its C1 is also 0, and here MW0 at this data register don't have any value. First we will give the value at I0.0, because of we need to calculate C0 and C1. I give the one value, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, for example, this number 1 conveyor is coming 5 bottles, and this is now 5 value is completed here. And now this another conveyor needs to be run, and if here is some bottles coming, means for example this is incoming and this is the second conveyor outgoing, and here you have some bottles. When these bags are applied as at this conveyor, after this have to be run. This for example, this is I0.3 have a one sensor for counting, and I0.0 is a second sensor for counting. Now at the conveyor 1 hour have 5 counts are completed. Now we give signal at the I0.3. When I give the I0.3 signal, you can see this addition command calculate immediately and gives answer in the MW0 data register. Means how much values coming at the I0.3 means C1 counter. After this will be calculate with this addition command and show you in the HMI. You can fix or any whatever you like to be see. This will be C7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How much any counts coming, any bags coming at the this C1 and this C0, that will be calculate continued news and show you at the next data register. For example, now we will give some signal at the that C0, I0.0 I will give the signal. Now you can see now 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How much any values coming at this C0, and after this C1 that will be calculate and gives you the answer in one place. Now this is the 22. And for example, think about this conveyor is running, and this conveyor is now maybe some bags are now completed, and this will be less, and after you can see the value it will be reduced. I0.4 I will give the signal. For example, I give the C, this is 5, 4, minus in after data will be go into the minus. You can see 3. There is the plus 12 value now counted, you can see. And as I get the signal at the I0.3, you can see it will be increase the value. 16, 17, yani 15 plus 3, 18, 15 plus 4, 19, 15 plus 5, 20, 15 plus 6, 21. It will be continuously calculate and goes to shows you in the next data register. And if you like to be subtract, for example, this is you are now making for addition, and if you like to make the subtract, so very simple, you can stop this one, and here you can use, I will delete this and new take, and we will take the subtraction command. Where is the subtraction command? If you can't find here in the this dialog box, and so you can go into the integer math. Here you can see this is addition and this is subtraction command, and this address same I will give C0, and this I will give C1, and output address I will take same MW0, and simple again download to the PLC, and this program will be worked for as a subtraction command. First this is working for addition, and now it will be work for subtraction. Make the simulation, and first we will give our I0.2, we will make the reset our counter, and this also at this I0.5 we will give the signal and make it 0. Now you can see this C1 is also 0 and our C0 counter is also 0. So I give the signal at the, for example, I0.0. I0.0 I give the signal. You can see one count, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 values I give. You can see this, the 15 value, 15 minus 0 is 15. When we give the signal at I0.3, after it will be start subtract. You can see one signal coming it here is now 14, now two signal 13, now 3 12, 4 11, 5 10, 6 9. So as this counter will be worked, after you can see this will be continuously show the value at you at subtraction command, and this data registers you can take at the HMI, and this value will be shown on HMI, and after you can easily count your this conveyors how much value is coming, bottles coming or bags coming or whatever, and here is how much going up and down both counters. You can use this I0.3 sensor you can for increment, and I0.4 counter you can signal for you can use for decrement, and same as this one, this I0.0 you can use for increment, and this I0.1 you can use for decrement, and this signal I0.2 you can make a push button or any auto sensor or proximity, whatever this which you like to be use, and I0 here 5 also you can make use for this one signal push button. Manual, if you like to put reset, manual can be coming reset, and if you like to be in auto, for example you put the value at 20 or 30 values, after you like to be automatically reset this counter, this conveyor needs to be stopped. After here you can use any proximity, after your value completed, after this will be automatically make the reset. How much bags when coming from here and going to here, you can use this subtraction, division, multiplication, whatever in this integer math area you can use. So this is the very, I think this is the very simple and easiest method of the subtraction and addition command use. If you not understand anything in this lecture, send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.